Oh, I didn't see you there. Just thinking about presents and records. Very excited for this one. This is very cool. This is put out by DSS, Definite Sound Series. This one I bought through Interscope Records. It's kind of like a one-step mo-fi. It's another kind of like using original analog tapes, all original masters, all analog tapes. This one is R.E.M. They put together Murmur and Chronic Town. It's gonna be like one step, like a mo-fi kind of deal. So I'm very excited to hear. They just started releasing records. I think they just did a Beck release too, and I believe a Perfect Circle as well. Release 2 as well for the Definite Sound series. There's a couple other ones they're doing too. I think of Lionel Richie, one they just put out too. So I'm excited. I'm excited for what they have coming out. It's cool to see other companies doing like the mo-fi, the original mastering. I like the competition. I like who has the best sound. I like that. So this packaging is really, when it comes to packaging, honestly, hey, shout out to you guys. This is really good. I know the UHQR are known for having a ridiculous package, but I do like the extra. It's got a little extra. It's got bumps on the side. This is limited to 3,000 copies. So if you are an R.E.M. fan and you want to get a copy of this, definitely these are gonna be limited. They're gonna go fast. Get yourself a copy. You got Chronic Town that was released in 1982, and Murmur that was released in 1983. This record and this release, the band actually agreed to have combined R.E.M.'s the EP plus Chronic Town and Murmur all combined into one album. They all agreed that, which I thought was pretty cool. The Chronic Town art and the Murmur art has been restored closely to the original art as possible, so that's kind of cool too as well. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox everything in here. Pretty sure there's a lot of love. I'm gonna go ahead and do the unboxing over there. Or you know what? Let's just start popping into it now. Here, so the package is very well done. Package really nice. I'm just gonna go ahead and give this a quick little whoop. The foam piece in there, whole package. Ooh. Heck yeah. Put this to the side for now. That is beautiful. Goodness gracious. This is that's a good one. It's really standing out. This is gorgeous. So, hey, I'm excited for the sound. We'll go see how it sounds though. Heck yeah. Vinyl for life. Subscribe if you like records. Subscribe if you like R.E.M. Also with R.E.M., I'm just getting into R.E.M. So if you are an R.E.M. fan and you know a lot about R.E.M., please tell me everything about R.E.M. Best albums to get into. Buddy recommended both of these to this is a good start to kind of dive into. But give me all the advice. Tell me the road to go down the R.E.M. road. And if you have any other bands too that I should be unboxing or listening to, let me know. I just love listening to music. So just write down any bands I should unbox or listen to next. I love music. So thank you. Subscribe.